Databases cannot guarantee everything at once. In many cases, you have to make trade-offs, whether that's choosing between ACID or base or balancing between other system requirements. If you have spent any time learning about databases, you have probably heard something similar to that. That's where the CAP theorem comes in. It's one of the most important concepts behind NoSQL databases and distributed systems. The CAP theorem states that a distributed database can guarantee only 2 out of 3 properties at the same time, and these are consistency, availability, and partition tolerance. With consistency, or C, every user sees the same, most up-to-date data. With availability, or A, every request receives a response even if some data isn't the latest. With partition tolerance, or P, the system continues to operate even when network failure splits servers into separate groups. Imagine a network error occurs and servers cannot communicate with each other. At that moment, the system has 2 choices. You either choose consistency and reject some requests until all servers agree on the data, or choose availability and keep responding to requests even if different users temporarily see different data. Because in distributed systems, communication issues between servers can happen, databases need to be able to handle them. When they do, the database usually has to choose between keeping the data perfectly consistent or remaining available to users. Different NoSQL databases make different trade-offs. For example, MongoDB generally prioritizes consistency and partition tolerance. Apache Cassandra is designed to prioritize availability and partition tolerance. The right choice depends on your needs and use case. Banking systems usually favor consistency, while social media platforms often prioritize availability. In summary, the CAP theorem reminds us that no distributed NoSQL database can be perfect in every situation. Sometimes it has to prioritize keeping data consistent, and other times it has to stay available to users. Knowing these trade-offs helps developers pick the right database for the job.